Or something. I think it's flash flood warning, probably.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jackson, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations
I think that's it right there.
Mequon, Grafton, Cedarburg, Fort Washington, Jackson, Soapville, Germantown, Keowns, and Kirkane. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has